If you are trying to get in to cybersecurity, you need to listen to this message. This could be the only thing standing between you and changing your career. If you live in a small town where there aren't many jobs, it doesn't matter. If you don't have much money to get your career started for boot camps, college, technical training, whatever, it's okay. If you're up against everyone who tells you that you can't, I'm here to tell you that you can. The only thing that you need, the only two things that you need to get into this field is a computer and internet. They're the only two things that you need to get into cybersecurity. These things connect you to nearly any job in this field around the world. Most of us work remote. Googling, studying, YouTubing costs nothing. Networking on LinkedIn, learning from the resources around you costs nothing. It is costing you much more not to push forward to this great field. Every day that you don't is another day lost. People that say you can't do it, I promise you, will ask you in a few years how you did it. The only difference is that you're going to be supportive to them, unlike they might have been to you. If 2022 wasn't what you wanted, you are the only thing standing in the way to make 2023 yours. Come join us over here in Cyberland, in cybersecurity. This is a fantastic field. It is challenging, it is rewarding, and it will feed you for life. I am Mike. I will always push you a little harder. I will always be a positive voice for you. Please reach out if you're struggling to get into this field. And, oh yeah, subscribe.